Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today I am with a new question, which is square root of x plus x minus x into square root of x, which is equal to 0, and we have to find the value of x such that x is greater than or equal to 0. So our given equation is square root of x, and we can write x as square root of x into square root of x because it is same as square root of x square, and it is again it will be equal to x. So we can write x as square root of x into square root of x. So we will replace x with square root of x minus x square root of x, which is equal to 0. Now we can see that in this equation we have square root of x is common. So it will become 1 plus square root of x minus x, which is equal to 0. Now from here we have two cases, which are square root of x is equal to 0 and 1 plus square root of x minus x, which is equal to 0. We will take square on both sides. So x is equal to 0, and from here square root of x will be equal to x minus 1, taking square on both sides. So from here we have x is equal to, it is a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a is equal to x and b is equal to 1. So it will become x square plus b squares means 1 square is 1 minus 2ab means 2 times 2, 1 times 2 and x. So it will become x square minus 2x and this minus x plus 1, which is equal to 0. So it will become x square minus 3x plus 1, which is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation, so we will apply here quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 1. So x is equal to minus into minus 3 plus minus square root of b square means minus 3 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is again 1 divided by 2 into 1. Now it will be equal to x is equal to minus minus is plus 3 plus minus square root of 3 square is 9 minus 4 1 times 4 and 4 1 times 4 divided by 2. So it is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So the values of x are x is equal to 3 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 and x is equal to 3 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. But from here x minus 1 is equal to square root of x is greater than or equal to 0 because x is greater than 0, so it's mean x minus 1 is also greater than or equal to 0, and from here x is greater than or equal to 1. So x is equal to, it is approximately equal to 2.62 and it is approximately equal to 0.38. But from here x is greater than or equal to 1, so it's mean the value of x is 3 plus square root of 5. divided by 2. So this is the final answer. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.